from Siliguri, West Bengal, and I have completed my BTech from the Surendra Institute of Engineering and Management from Siliguri only, and I joined the JSPIDERS in 2023 June month. Here I learned core Java, JDBC, Hibernate, Servlet, JSP, Spring Boot, SQL, HTML, SDLC, and trainers' name were Jalal sir, Hemant sir, SKR sir, and after that I learned from Kiran sir, and they were very humble and they were very helpful to me, and I also learned the presentation skills in here after doing the presentation every day. So I was very thankful to them, and this is all about me. Thank you.
Start.
So recently I got placed in the Trinity Mobility. The designation was software developer.